DejaFitBeauty here, and today we're going to do a keto meal prep. I keep my meal preps really simple. I don't really do anything too complicated, but I want to show you guys, like, it's really easy to meal prep for keto. Keto is not some super complicated diet. It's really simple once you know all the basics. But today I'm feeling like I might cook some chicken wings, maybe some chicken thighs, and I'm also going to prep some salads and show you guys how I prep my salads and things like that. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my keto meal prep, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I am a keto coach. I am a certified personal trainer as well as a nutrition coach. And on this channel, I do lots of follow along, simple workouts, some advanced workouts, healthy recipes, healthy keto recipes, and just tons of other fun stuff. So if you like any of that stuff, just go ahead, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So the marinade that I'm going to use for my chicken thighs are a little bit of olive oil, seasoned salt, lemon juice, pepper, garlic salt, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, onion powder, and I'm going to be using Swerve to sweeten it up a bit. So while we're waiting on the chicken to cook, I'm going to show you guys what I've been eating for breakfast lately. So for the last few weeks, I've actually been eating Magic Spoon low-carb, grain-free cereal, guys. When I tell you guys, this changed the game when it comes to keto. So, you know, in keto, you can't have those like your childhood cereals anymore because they just have too much sugar. These boxes of cereal is only 3 net carbs per serving, which is very few compared to the amount of carbs in a regular box of cereal. This is the fruity flavor. This is the frosted, but they also have cocoa flavor. They have the blueberry flavor. They have a like honey nut flavor and as well as a cinnamon flavor. I haven't tried the cinnamon or the honey nut flavor yet, but guys, when I tell you, this is so good. This is like my little treat after I get back from the gym. You know, after I get back from the gym, I'm hungry. I want something sweet, and this really hits the spot, guys. It's so good. And if you want to try, I actually reached out to the company because I love the product so much. I reached out to the company to ask them to see if I can get a discount code for my followers. So if you guys want to try, you can actually use my discount code and get free shipping, which takes about $5 off the top. So if you want to try, use my code, save some money. But when I tell you guys, I'm a lifelong purchaser of this product here. Whether I have the discount or not, I was actually buying this product for like 3 months before I even asked for an affiliate code because I just love the product so much. But y'all, when I tell y'all, this is so good. You gotta thank me later, okay? so good, you guys. It's just a nice, refreshing drink to have at the end of a long, very long day. And it's really good. It's really, really easy to make. So this is what I have so far. I have some hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, one egg didn't come out too good. I have my chicken thighs here. I have my chicken wings, and this is some bacon. I actually cooked this bacon like a couple days ago, and I'm going to use it for salads. So this is how my salad came out. I have some chopped up chicken thighs, I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 slices of bacon, a little bit of cheese, about a ½ ounce of cheese, a couple jalapenos, and some raw broccoli. And then I'm going to top it off with some ranch dressing. So there you have it, guys. That is going to be my meal prep for the week. This is a really hearty salad and keto friendly. Now every meal that I eat is not this big. The only reason why I'm eating this really big salad is because this is really like the second meal that I've had. I didn't really eat breakfast. And then for lunch, what did I have for lunch? I don't even remember. I think I had like I had a bowl of that cereal for breakfast. And then for lunch, I think I just had I was just kind of snacking on keto stuff. I haven't really had a whole meal today. So this is gonna be pretty much like my first real meal of the day. And that's why it is so hearty. So this whole meal is probably over 500 to 600 calories or more. It's probably a lot, but I haven't eaten today, so it's totally fine. Now I don't eat like this all the time, okay? This is just because I haven't eaten that much today. But for the rest of the week, I'll probably be making salads like this, but smaller. Also with the wings, I usually pair the wings with like string beans or some sort of other vegetable like broccoli, string beans, Brussels sprouts, things like that. Sometimes I make jicama fries, and I will make some jicama fries with the wings, but I didn't really feel like going to try to find jicama fries because they're kind of hard to find sometimes. But yeah, guys, that is my meal prep for the week. Hope you guys can see that. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed this meal prep, this really simple keto meal prep. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.